Hey guys, and welcome to another segment in our WeVideo tutorial series presented by WBAM Student Television.
Today we'll be showing you picture-in-picture or video-in-video, which is when you have another picture or video inside another bigger picture or video.
When you use this effect, you can show multiple images or videos in each other.
Just like this. Start by clicking and dragging your video or picture into video 1 slot. Now click the star that says Stock Media in the top left corner. And now pick whatever video or picture you want. Now drag that to your video 2 section. And then you're going to double click on the video 2. And now you're going to make the video smaller. Now you can put it wherever you want. Now you should hit Save Changes and it will be saved.